family. This is Sinopec. Now we come to a new exhibition hall of 永创智能 Yongsun. So how about Yongsun and how about its history? How about its latest technology? Let's take a look. So I can see a young lady just right here. So introduce yourself and your company to our audience.
Hello. This is Sherry. I will introduce our company, Yongsun. So let's start to introduce our company. Hello. Yongsun is a company for packaging machines. Our company is established in 1983. It's listed in Shanghai stock with 603901, the stock number. And there are 9 modern production bases in China and with 4,780 employees. There are more than 8 series, 500 models of our products, and special for food, beverage, pharmaceutical, and chemical industries. The annual revenues of Yongsun Group is total US dollar 600 million in 2020, and last year is increased more than 45%. Our machines coverage more than 80 countries around the world. So welcome to visit us.
Okay, welcome to visit us. Welcome to Yongsun. So how about the strongest products of Yongsun? How about the latest technology? Maybe we could take a look of the first exhibit.
Yes,
right.
Yeah. This one. Our machines, the key point is very good quality with lower cost. And for this machine is the high-speed vertical produce machines for this bag series.
I think it's their client.
These machines, there are 4 points to introduce. Point 1 is on design. It is very simple and very easy for maintenance and very easy to access. And our mechanical parts, 95% parts are produced ourselves. We can control the quality to be good enough. And on the third is the famous electric parts. We use the common, very famous electric brands such as Siemens, Schneider, and SEW, and so on.
Yeah, it's famous brands.
Yes.
Right.
And for software, here you can see the 2 machines are the same. It is running and it is running very smoothly and fast. And it's 2 languages, and you can see in English. The software is very easy and very simple to operation. So we can run the machines very well and with long life. And now the second one, I want to introduce the end packaging produce line. It's over there. Let's go.
Let's go. Maybe this way. Go straight.
Yes.
And you see another big guy right
here.
here.
This is our booth. Here is the pick and plate, and stretch wrappers, and strapping machine, and cotton sealer, and these areas. Now we start. This is the key point. Another sample. For this one is we designed our own robot. It is for pick and place on the palletizer to be full staking. Like this.
Go this way.
Yeah, like this. It is a full pallet. Pick and place to be a full pallet. So now, full pallet is go to the strapping double line. So I want to ask our technician to operate it to show. Yes. Hello.
Maybe we can.
This is the strapping one. Yeah.
So anyone can help.
Hello.
Help us to show
the full planking. This is the horizontal strapping machines. Then go for go forward, then into the vertical arrow strapping machines. And then this is a very fast, high-speed linear stretch wrapping tool one. Now it can save the time, save the lower production, it can save the lower cost and to improve the.
Save money.
Save money. Yes.
Save money.
You can see. You can see a working station. Now
it's working.
Smoking like this, strapping,
Such
horizontal.
Horizontal. Here, but you can also just take it. Oh, fast.
Yes, and the horizontal. Strapping like this.
Okay, you can remove.
And then go forward.
After checking.
And with another
procedure.
Another procedure.
The step 1, step 2, step 3.
Step 3. It is the final one.
Leave some time to do it.
It is arrow strapping.
Okay, strapping. Need a little bit of time. So I can imagine that if our people just we pack by our own, it's very difficult for us to do. We just jump up and jump down. It's very hard. But if we help this stuff by the machine, it's very easy for us to control.
Yes, and I like this. Very easy for control because our technician, and also there is we can do the online remote control for our whole product line.
We no need to on the scene. We can just far away from here. It's
no any problem.
Okay.
And here is the faster running.
Okay.
So this stretch wrapping can reach the speed more than 90 pallets per hour.
Oh.
More than 90 pallets per hour. It is very fast.
Ooh. Okay, so that's all for that.
Yes, maybe you will consider how about the service.
Okay.
No any problem for us. For the service, we have many dealers and agents in different countries. Yes, and overseas our own branch, we have
the strong support.
Point. We have 6 branches overseas.
Okay.
One is in Netherlands, one is in USA,
USA,
and Germany, and
Germany.
Malaysia, and
Indonesia.
and Singapore.
Okay. Oh, okay.
Yes.
So we can say that Yonsun has the after service support all over the world.
Yes.
So no need to worry about that. Okay. So much for today, and I also thank you very much for your amazing sharing. And I think that the whole, just like an intrinsic show that to our audience. So maybe we can take a look to other exhibition hosts. So say goodbye to our audience. Bye bye. See you next time.
Thank you.